Hi students, good morning all of you. Today now we are discuss plant breeding for improved food quality. Plant breeding for improved food quality. First of all, more than 840 millions of people, 840 millions of people do not have adequate to food meat in their daily food nutrition requirement. Okay, means more than 840 millions people తీసుకునే ఫుడ్లో సరిపోయే అంత విటమిన్స్ మినరల్స్ అనేవి లేవు. నెక్స్ట్ మోర్ దాన్ 3 బిలియన్స్ పీపుల్ suffer from macronutrition, minerals, vitamins, etc. That condition is called hidden hunger. That condition is called hidden hunger. Hidden hunger means 3 millions of people suffer from macronutrition, minerals, vitamins deficiency. The deficiency is called hidden hunger. Okay, they cannot because of they cannot afford to buy the fish, meat and vegetable and fruits and legume and etc. Hidden hunger means more than 3 billions of people suffer from macronutrition, vitamin, minerals deficiency. That condition is called hidden hunger because they cannot afford to buy the fish, meat, vegetable, fruit and legume and etc. Right? Their diet lacking of micronutrition such as zinc, iron, iodine and etc. Diet lacking of micronutrition such as zinc, iron, iodine etc. These situations increase the risk of the disease. And reduce the lifespan and affect their mental ability. Their mental ability condition. Okay. Next, biofortification. Biofortification means by the plant breeding process, plant breeding in crop with the high level proteins, minerals, vitamins vitamins and healthy fats. Healthy fats. In practical, improve human being, improved human being. This condition is called biofortification. Plant breeding in crop with the high level proteins, minerals, vitamins and healthy fats. In practically improved human being. This condition is called biofortification. In during the year of 2000, by the using a plant breeding technique, hybrid maize, twice amount of increase the twice amount of amino acids, twice amounts of amino acid, lysine and tryptophan. Okay. By the using a plant breeding technique during 2000, hybrid maize, twice amount of amino acids is increased and lysine and tryptophan is produced, twice amount. Next, hybrid maize, hybrid wheat type, wheat variety such as Atlas 66, wheat variety such as Atlas 66. In this Atlas, by the using of plant breeding technology, we have produced high protein quality. Next, golden rice. By the using of plant breeding technology, 5 times increase vitamin A and beta galactine. Compared to normal rice. Okay, compare to the our normal rice. Okay, by the using of plant breeding technology in golden rice, 5 times increase vitamin A and beta galactine compared to our normal rice. Okay, next Indian Agriculture Research Institution. Okay, Indian Agriculture Research Institution release some crops and vegetables which are produced enrich nutrition vitamins and nutrition. Okay, Indian Agriculture Research Institution release some crops and vegetables which are produce enrich vitamins and nutrition. Suppose for example vitamin A are produced carrot and spinach and curcumin also. Next, vitamin C are bathua and bitter gourd. bitter gourd, and tomato. Tomato, etc. Tomato. Next, iron and chlorine. Chlorine. Iron and chlorines are Bathua. This Bathua is king of the vegetable. Bathua is king of the vegetable. Iron and chlorines are Bathua and bitter gourd. And spinach. Spinach. And protein. Proteins are bean. Dolichos lablav. Dolichos lablav. Dolichos lablav. And French and garden pea. French and garden pea. These are contain enriched vitamins and nutrition value.